Justin Worden here with Austin American Technology, and I'm here with Sahil of PNC Inc. in Nutley, New Jersey. Did I get all that right?
Yep, that's perfect.
Awesome, man. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. Hey, I got to first off thank you. Appreciate you opening the doors. We got some customers coming in. We're going to do some testing on the NanoJet we sold you guys and installed, I think, 7 years ago.
Yep.
And that thing, it's running good, but how long have you been with PNC Inc.?
I've actually only been here for a few months.
Okay.
Yep.
So they're throwing you the wolves, putting you on
just
camera.
started, but I had family in the business for a long time, so very, I guess, situated with what's going on.
Nice, man. Now, what role are you playing with the company?
So right now I'm working in sales.
All right. Brought the young buck in.
Yep.
You got to drive some sales. No pressure.
Exactly.
I mean, you and I are wearing the same hat there. So I really appreciate you jumping on video. I know it's kind of off the cuff, you know, like, oh man, they're coming in for testing and now I'm on camera. But you know, these videos do a lot. It really helps us get the word out about, you know, our customers and what we value and what we're trying to push out in the industry. But tell me about PNC. What really is your claim to fame? Yeah,
so PNC is basically a local printed circuit board manufacturer located in, like you said, Nutley, New Jersey. And we do PCB design, the bare board fabrication, assemblies, and box builds, all in one location. So the one thing that makes us unique is we do both the bare boards and assemblies in one house, made in USA, and that's not something you see that's very common across the industry.
No, that's a very good point. I mean, made in the USA, especially to the extent that you're taking. I mean, I just saw your facility, I got the tour, and you guys have everything in here.
Yep.
I mean, every piece of equipment, and you have the expensive stuff too.
Yeah.
You guys, I mean, I don't know who's pulling the punches up there, but I mean, they're spending money.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that we, I think, pride ourselves on is always providing a quality product. And that also means investing in new technologies as new things come out. So I think in the past 5 years, we've maybe invested about $10 million in new equipment just to make sure that we're always up to speed, always at the top of our game, and making sure that, you know, we're doing everything that we can do right for our customers.
Well, I mean, that's a testament to the type of product you put out, right? When you invest back into the product, I mean, we're all here to make money, right?
Yeah,
but
exactly.
You know, we got to share some of those profits, invest back into the business. And when you do that, you put out a better product, and then you can retain more customers. Now, I know you said you've only been here for a few months.
Yeah.
But being that everything is 100% done inside this building, I mean, what did you hear about how PNC Inc. operated during like the whole COVID crisis over the last few years?
Yeah, I mean, especially with the COVID crisis, right? Like, there's a lot of supply chain issues, especially from overseas, not being able to get the right products. Lead times obviously very much increased. So especially when you're working with two different facilities, so like one with doing bare board, one doing assemblies, you know, the time can go up. But one thing that helped us out, because we do it all in-house, we were able to cut down those lead times and still like try to get everything to our customers on the right time.
Yeah, absolutely. And, I mean, you guys are moving a mile a minute down there.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone's just, I mean, but it's flow. Everyone seems to know exactly what they're doing as they say, a well-oiled machine, right?
Yeah, everyone's very dedicated to their job and do a great job down there.
So how long has PNC Inc. been here at this location?
I believe about 53 years.
Say that again?
About 53 years.
50?
Yeah.
I was a little older than you and I.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't even know these buildings were around that long ago. Yeah. So anything new on the horizon? Anything coming down the chain that you guys want to talk about that maybe people should be paying attention to?
So we are investing again, as we always are, into more technologies. So soon in our assembly side, we're going to have a fly probe machine coming in, which is a new capability that a lot of customers nowadays are asking for. So that's one thing we wanted to add, just make sure that we are, you know, ahead of the curve. Because as people come to ask, you know, we want to be prepared for that.
So let me ask you this. I mean, we're all on the road. You're doing sales. I'm doing sales. But if someone were to reach out or want to reach out to PNC Inc. and learn more about them, how would they do that?
Yeah, so they could go on our website, pnconline.com, where you could find a lot more information. Or you could just call our phone number as well, which you could also find on the website.
Okay. And is this your only location?
Yes, right now it's our only location.
Perfect. Well, you've been here for 53 years. You guys are building everything in-house. You got the best equipment. If you're on the fence, you're looking at what is next, where you guys are going to go to grow, reach out to PNC Inc., pnconline.com. I'll put it all, right now it's appearing on the bottom of the screen. But these are the guys, these are who you want to work with, especially if you're here in New Jersey. So reach out, Sahil. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.